Welcome to Repair channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable eye comfort shield in your Samsung Galaxy A05 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to display option. Now from here scroll down a bit and here you can see eye comfort shield. Then just tap here and that's it. Now by tapping here you can enable eye comfort shield or blue light. And you can see it's enabled successfully. Now here you can see two options of eye comfort shield. One is adaptive and another is custom, and you can choose any option from here as you want. If I select custom, then you can set schedule for blue light. Here you can see three options here: always on, sunset to sunrise, and custom. You can choose any option as you want. I suggest you to sunset to sunrise. And it's done. You can also increase or decrease your blue light color temperature from here, and you can set any level as you want. Now if you enable eye comfort shield option, then it keep your eyes comfortable by limiting blue light and using warmer colors. Also, if you cannot find eye comfort shield option in your phone, then you can look for blue light option. And that is how you can enable eye comfort shield in your Samsung Galaxy A05 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.